Hello viewers, now we are going to start crochet watermelon. We are going to make magic ring.
Okay, we make 8 simple stitches. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1 slip stitch and the magic ring is complete. Okay, in the second row we make double crochet. Double crochet in every stitch we make 2 double crochet. Okay, one and 2. Okay, 1, 2 double crochet in every stitch. Okay, the row is complete. Then 1 slip stitch. One stitch and then double crochet in every stitch. We make 2 double crochet. Okay, same the first row, second row,
Same pattern.
Okay, same pattern. In every stitch we make 2 double crochet. Okay, double crochet.
In every stitch we are doing 2 double crochet.
Okay,
Repeat this pattern for the whole line.
okay, the second double crochet row is completed. Okay,
Now we are going to make third row.
first we make a slip stitch. Okay, and 2 chains. Okay, and 1 double crochet. Okay, 1 double crochet, and this row we make 1 double and 1 single stitch. Okay, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, one and 2. You see the first we make 1 double crochet and second we make 2 double crochet. This pattern is repeat. We make 1 double crochet in 1 stitch and next stitch we make 2 double crochet. One and 2. Okay, 1 and 1 2.
Repeat this pattern for the third line. We have completed the third line.
1 2 3.
Now we are using white wool.
And we make simple stitches. Okay, simple stitches. This row we make simple stitch.
Repeat this pattern for the whole row. The combination of red and white is looking very nice. By taking slip stitch, we have ended the white row. Cutting the thread. Now we will use green wool, dark green. It looks good with other colors of watermelon. Three crochet we are using.
in this row we make same third row pattern. One single double one stitch is double crochet and the other stitch 2 double crochet. Okay, first we make 2 chain. Okay, you see 1 and 2 chain. Okay, and then double crochet. We will start okay. One and this stitch we make 2. The ratio is 1 and 1 2. This stitch we make 1 double crochet. Okay, and the next we make 2 double crochet.
Repeat this pattern for the whole line.
Two double crochet. Okay,
Green row is complete. We are going to cut the thread, and you can use it as a watermelon glass mat or mug mat or a watermelon keychain. We are going to use it as a watermelon keychain.
look like slice of a watermelon.
Yes, it looks so refreshing, a slice of watermelon. We are going to join the edges of our watermelon. We are using green wool. Okay. Now we are going to make watermelon seeds. We are using black wool. we have taken needle. Oh, these are looking nice. Like this we will make. I have filled the watermelon with cotton. Our watermelon is complete. Mashallah, it's looking nice. We are attaching keychain to the watermelon, and yes, our keychain is attached. And our watermelon is complete. If you like it, like and subscribe our channel.